Hello, I'm Dr. Musa of the Excel Laser Vision Institute, and today I'm here to answer a commonly asked question. What happens during the Lasik consultation? How do you know I'm a good candidate for the procedure? Well, the first thing is you obviously have to be evaluated at a center that specializes in laser eye surgery, or LASIK specifically, to establish if you're a good candidate for LASIK or the other refractive procedures such as SMILE or wavefront guided LASIK or advanced surface ablation. That process involves going to the center, getting your evaluation done, and the primary evaluative points are if you wear glasses or contact lenses and they correct your vision, then you are a likable candidate for LASIK. At the time of your consultation, the doctor and his staff will establish the health of your eyes by doing what's called a computer-guided topography. That establishes the curvature of your eyes. In addition, you will have your corneal thickness measured, your pupil size measured, and a thorough eye health check done. After that time, if the doctor determines that you're a good candidate for LASIK eye surgery, he will share with you, or he or she will share with you, that you're a good candidate and what the options are at that point. I hope that answers the question for you. Again, this is Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute.